Gordon Moody is the only charity in the UK that provides residential treatment support for people who are affected by gambling. We have a men's residential treatment centre in Dudley. We have the only female residential service in the whole of the world in Wolverhampton, and we have a mixed gender facility in Redditch. And although the facilities are regionally based, we actually see people from all over the UK, and in fact sometimes internationally as well. So we were opening our new treatment centre in Redditch, and obviously as a result of that we needed to do the refurbishment. We needed to make sure we had the right technology, so TV screens, printers, photocopiers, making sure that we had the right kind of energy. So we spoke to quite a few people, and I think for me it's really important when you lead a business or when you lead a charity that you work with people that have the right values and the right ethics, and the values and the ethics align. And I could genuinely see that with Tim and Tim's team, and for me that's what kind of drew me in, because I have worked in the past where people have potentially taken the mick, where yes they've saved you a bit of money but actually they've not saved you as much as they could have saved you and kind of kept some of that back. Whereas with Tim and your digital hub, actually we were getting 100% of the savings back, which for charities is a massive deal. I mean, we have to think about, you know, the increases to NI rates, business rates, all sorts of things that are happening on the horizon which are outside of our control, but we have to, you know, implement those changes. So where we can cut costs, it's really important to us. It makes a massive difference because it means we can then support the people that we're here to support. I would recommend anybody who's looking into their contracts in relation to technology, mobile phones or energy, to get in touch with Your Digital, because they genuinely do make a massive difference. They're very professional. There's no kind of hidden agenda or anything like that. They're very open about where they can make savings, where they might not be able to make savings. Also very, very friendly. You know, you can have like a transactional relationship sometimes, with kind of brokers, I guess, but it's not like that. And Tim's always kind of thinking of other ways in which they might be able to support the organisation in ways that we probably haven't even thought about ourselves. As I say, the cost savings is a massive plus. So, as I said before, it's just a win-win.